How to save TikTok videos to camera roll. First of all, open up the TikTok application on your phone. You will then be taken to the TikTok homepage. Here, you can explore and view TikTok Reels. If you want to save any video from here, then tap on the share icon on the right side of the screen. Here, you can view all the sharing options available as well as other options below. Now, tap on Save Video. You have now successfully saved this video. Now close the TikTok app and open up your gallery on your phone. You will find the TikTok video you just saved over here. So, by following these simple steps, you can go ahead and save TikTok videos to your camera roll. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.